One of the questions that we frequently receive is, how do I know that my child is actually struggling with a pornography addiction as opposed to it simply being an inappropriate behavior? And the most simple way to answer that question would be to refer to the frequency of the use of pornography, meaning that is it happening 3 or 4 times a week, or does it only happen maybe a few times a year? The duration of the behavior, meaning has it been a problem for just simply a short period of time, a matter of a few weeks, or has the problem been in place over the space of a few years? And then lastly, the level of intensity involved in the behavior, meaning is the young person involved in risk-taking behaviors to persist in the behavior, and is the intensity of the nature of the pornography potentially increasing? These 3 variables are all things that we look at in determining whether an addiction exists. And unfortunately, due to the addictive nature of pornography and the potency of today's pornography, some of our young people become very quickly addicted. The last thing that we typically will do to help parents in understanding whether an addiction persists is to have them use our YPAST assessment tools that help to screen for possible addiction in young people. And of course, if an addiction does exist, then we certainly would recommend that professional treatment be pursued, and that's where the Mending the Armor program comes in and has been specifically designed for youth and young adults struggling with addiction.